If you want to record phone calls on OPPO Reno 15, what you can do is you can go to the call, open the call menu, and you want to check if you have a recording option in the call menu. Sometimes you might be able to find a built-in call recording option, which in my case is actually not available. So this feature is only available in certain regions or countries, and there is a chance that you don't have it. So if you have it, then of course that's great, you can use that. But if you don't have it, then instead you will have to use a third-party app that allows you to record phone calls. And for example, we can go to the Play Store, use the search, and then over here we can search for call recorder or something like that. You should be able to find many different apps that technically allow you to record phone calls. And one of the example apps that I tend to use is this call recorder Cube ACR app. I'm gonna install it and I'm gonna show you how to set it up, but feel free to try any other app in case you don't like this one, or if you just want to, if you want to just give it a try and try something different, or if the app doesn't work for you for some reason. So once the app is installed, we're gonna open it. Next, we're gonna tap on this next button. We want to grant all necessary permissions. There we go. Next, we can toggle, well, we can disable power optimization, so we're gonna tap on allow. We don't have to agree to geotagging, and we can press OK, got it. We have a premium offer which we can close in the upper left corner. And then there is also this helper, which is additional app that is made to make the main app run in the proper way. So in my case, I'm going to install the helper. To do so, you will have to open the browser. Actually, you should be redirected to the browser, and you should visit the Cube Call Recorder app website. In here, we're going to tap on Download Helper APK. This allows you to download the installation file. And of course, since the app is not from the Play Store, your phone will notify you that you're for security. So for a security reason, your phone is not allowed to install unknown apps. So you can tap on settings and we can allow the browser to install apps from unknown sources. And we're gonna tap on install the app afterwards. Now, once the app is installed, we want to open it and we have to set it up as well, which is also pretty simple. We just have to tap on next, grant all the permissions necessary to make the app work. Now tap on go to accessibility, choose downloaded apps, and you want to tap on Cube ACR app connector. Even though this app is this option is grayed out, you still want to tap on it in order to see this information. Then you want to close it and go back to the app. Now we're gonna choose go to apps at the bottom. Over here we need to find the Cube ACR helper. Tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and allow restricted settings. We need to verify yourself, and there we go. Now we can exit back to the settings of the back to the app, and we're gonna go back to accessibility again, choose downloaded apps, and now we can go to the Cube ACR app connector and we need to enable this app. Tap on allow, and there we go. We need to disable power optimization, so tap on allow in here, and now the app is installed. Now we can go to the main app, so choose open Cube ACR. Now before we move on, I can recommend you tapping on these three lines here in the upper left corner in order to make sure that recording is enabled. You can also go through different settings in order to make some adjustments that you might want to do. But the app is pretty much ready to use. Now, the app allows you to automatically record calls, so whenever someone calls you and you answer the call, then the app in the background will start recording the call. And sometimes, if you cannot hear the other person, you might want to use the loudspeaker to make sure that the app can actually detect the caller. And this seems to be the issue with many call recording apps, simply because the earpiece cannot be really recorded most of the time. It is like blocked by the software, by the app, No, sorry, not by the app, actually by the Android, I guess. So this is why you might want to use the loudspeaker if you want to properly record the call. Also, if we go to notifications, you can see that the Cube ACR and the helper is running in the background. Once we are done with the recording, you can find your recording by going to the Cube ACR app, and there we go. You can of course play the recording. You can tap on these three dots and you can find additional options in here. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.